Good evening, Ehang community. How are you doing? So let's talk about Ehang. It's broke my support level. Where we going next? You must be wondering where the price actually going next. So I have a warning sign, guys. Like I told you guys, this is really important level because we actually broke it. Let's before we go to the chart, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I do daily videos about stocks and especially Ehang, so you never miss any from my future updates. So hit the notification bell. Will help a lot my channel. So let's go straight to the chart. As I said, always my channel, always no BS, no editing, straight to the information. So let's go to the chart and look with me, guys. As I told you before, look with me, guys. We actually first, what we did, told you in the video before I did yesterday, we actually got rejected here on this triangle, and this actually the second rejection. Then we actually broke from this line. The minute we actually broke from this line, boom, we actually go back to do double bottom here. And when we went from it, we got a big candle. I told you guys this is really important level at 40. I told you guys to be careful about this level. And exactly that's what happened when we actually have a high in power supporting candle like this one. When we have uh, this one, when we have a big wick candle here, and we have a big buying pressure, we go up. But if we actually go back to revisit this area again between 45 and 40, this high probability that we're gonna break the level, as I told you guys in the video before. So now what we're gonna see, now we actually, the next psychological value I see is around this level, first at this area at 32. This is the first level, and it's not strong one. The strong one is this actually. This is the strongest support I can see at this level, at below 30, below 30 euro, below 30 euros. So around 30 euros. This is like the limit of the support actually we could go to for Ehang actually. And the first one you have to watch out for is at the level at 32. So now we're not far from it. We are at 35, and now there's no support. This is the first support at 32. Then other one is around 28, 29. So guys, really be careful, because now when you don't have a strong support, the price will go more harder down. But first, look with me, guys. We have to read, we have to touch, we actually almost test this level, but we got rejection. That's why we going lower now. We always, when we actually go over any support, there's the price action movement always test the last support to check if the price value is confirmation or not, because here it did it again. Always we have a confirmation, we got rejection, that's why we got getting down. That's why I always tell you guys to wait for confirmation, and we got the rejection confirmation, not for buying confirmation, for selling confirmation. That's why we got this candle, and this is not a good indication, because now there's a high probability that we're going to actually 35 and then 30. This is the strongest one. The strongest level is around 30, 29. And from there, if you are actually an investor, you can actually buy and average down. And for me, I will wait for confirmation for reverse in the trend, because now we actually trending down from the 18th February, after the big sell-off about the news we got. We got a higher high, higher low, and lower high, and here the price going up and going down, then up and down, and we do a lower low. You see, so this is like a trend of a downtrend. It's not actually reversing anytime soon, but we will wait to see if there's a value, a big up in volume, and we see a price. We see a candle confirmation for a price trend price reversal. But at the moment, what I see is the price is going first at around 32, then the 29. This is the first actually support, but it's not strong. Like I told you guys, it's not strong one at 32. Then the other one is really strong at 28. We should hold this one to actually bounce from it. If we don't bounce back, this is not a good indicator, but this is, we'll see in the future, because now all we see actually at this support at 32, then 29. And I will keep you guys updated about the next price action movement. So hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel and like the video if you see it have more information for you. And always do update daily about Ehang. So always be notified daily so you never miss any of my future videos. So see you guys in the next video, and hopefully we see green by coming days. See you guys.